Hello you guys, good afternoon. Time check, it's 17 minutes after 12 noon and I left the house a little early cause wala tayong lunch. So for the first time in the history guys, I'm stopping by here sa Roberto's Tacos. I ordered number 10. It's the, what is it? Carnitas. O diba? Kasi I was so puyat. And I natulog ako siguro mga mga I don't know 7. Tapos naligo ako pagkagising ko and late ako nagising, so hindi ko na inom yung aking gamot. So ayun, hindi ako pwedeng kumain. So wala akong kain ngayon, wala akong coffee. So hopefully hindi sira yung machine sa work para makapag-coffee ako doon. And I might get some din doon, yung bagel na may cream cheese. So yun na lang, kakain ako kasi baka mangarag na talaga ako guys. Wala akong enough na sleep. Kasi kung naglinis ako sa bathroom and hindi natapos, mamaya tapusin ko. Kasi meron pa ako lilinisin yung studio ko guys. So hopefully tonight yung studio at saka yung mas magulo yung bathroom ko kasi ang daming kalat, ang daming makeup, ang daming blah blah blah. So mas matagal siya gawin kasi kailangan i-organize pa. Yung sa studio ko mas na lang, hindi masyadong ganun ka kalat kasi malalaki yung mga wires ganun. Yung sa kasi sa bathroom, ang daming mga maliliit na bagay like mga pampaganda. Well anyway guys, yun yung story of my life for today. Pero tuwing napupuyat ako ng bongga, nagtatago ako sa makeup. May pawing tip tayo. Diba? Taray. Okay, bye guys. See ya. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Basa pa yung hair ko. Basa ang hair ko. Thank you. Oops. Thank you, see ya. Okay guys, let's go to work now. And it comes in la 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 da da la 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 Let's go. La da dee da dee, we like to party, doing whatever we want. I don't know the lyrics guys, but that song is cute. It's cute. Doing whatever we want. This is our house. This is I don't know. And we can't stop. And we won't stop. La 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 like nobody. Ano daw? I don't know. On hyper tayo guys kasi kailangan kong gumising. Kailangan kong gumising kasi I think I only slept like 4 hours. Yeah, about 4 hours lang ang tulog. Pero so far, parang carry. Pero I don't know, baka mamaya usually inaantok ako mamaya-maya kunti kasi naligo kasi tayo. Kaya that's why. That is why. Na 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 on the night and we can stop. Oh, Corvette, beautiful. This one is really nice, guys. Oh, yung kulay, I like it. I don't mind it. This Corvette is beautiful.